Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to convert a Microsoft Excel file into PDF. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To convert Excel worksheet into PDF, go to your Excel worksheet and click on File tab on upper left corner. Click on Save As and then select the location where you want to save. I want to save in Documents, and now type the file name and then click on Save As Type and then select PDF. Now click on Save. Now I'm going to check. Go to File Explorer and go to Documents, and this is the Excel worksheet in PDF. Right click on it and click on Open, and look, this is my Excel worksheet converted in PDF. This is the easiest way to convert Excel worksheet in PDF. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.